Garden sounds. Press the page to hear the sounds. The sun is rising over the garden, and all the birds are starting to sing. Listen. Cheep! As the sun gets higher, more and more birds join in with the song. It's a beautiful warm day. Bees buzz past and butterflies flutter among the flowers. Buzz! A grasshopper rubs its legs on its wings to make a soft chirping sound. Chirp! Now clouds fill the sky, and rain goes pitter-pattering over the garden. Pitter-patter. There's a baby bird sheltering in the nesting box. Listen to the sound it's making. Down by the pond, a fish leaps out of the water and then sploosh, back in again. While a frog sits croaking on a lily pad. Croak. When night falls, the garden is ever so quiet, but listen carefully. Can you hear something? Hoot! High up on the branch, a bird sings goodnight to the garden. Tweet!